Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Crane with your lesson for Wednesday, November 7th. Remember students, I'm not here today. I'm at Santa Fe Trail working with some teachers over there, but we'll start our block period with our substitute the same as we always do with silent reading. Please do so for about 15 minutes, reading either the last few pages of your book club book, or you can be reading a picture book or something else that you have with you today. Go ahead and pause the video, begin silent reading now. If you're watching this, it means you're ready for your next step in your lesson. It means we're going to begin writing our thought log entries for about 5 minutes today. In preparation for our final book club meeting, consider writing a few high-level questions as part of your thought log entry that you may pose to your book club in just a few minutes. Right, pause, begin your thought log entries. If you're watching this, that means you're ready for our book club meeting. We're going to have our meeting for about 25 minutes. I want to remind you that it is important that every member of the book club is included within a circle, that no one is left out of the circle, that everyone has a copy of their book and their thought log open on their desk during discussion, and that no devices are in use during discussion, including headphones. Upon the conclusion of book club, you will return your book club books to the blue cart that is sitting in our classroom. You'll leave that there so I can turn that in on your behalf. All right, pause the video. Time for book club. If you're watching this, that means book clubs have concluded. You've placed your book club book on the blue cart, and now we're ready to finish our thank you letters. Yesterday we discussed who is writing to whom. That list of guests is on Google Classroom on our agenda for today if you need to refer back to names or for spelling. Double check that your final drafts of your letters are handwritten on our Olathe West stationery in ink. There's no grammar or spelling errors, that you follow the template for thank you letters. And then place that finished letter in an unsealed envelope. Put the name of the person to whom you are writing on the front of the envelope, and then turn in that envelope to our substitute. If you have time left over and you've finished your letters, please consider adding one more letter to someone that you spoke with. If you have already written to 2 people, you may choose to read a book or do some homework. Consider it a study hall, but please don't distract others. Sit on your devices, talk to others, etc. Choose to either work on homework or read a book. All right, thank you guys. I appreciate you being kind and respectful to our substitute. I'll see you next week.